Have you noticed this happening almost every time you update iOS? The update just gets stuck on verifying update forever. Honestly, it makes you wonder, Apple, don't you really want me to update to the latest iOS? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll quickly walk you through several proven ways to fix this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. When something goes wrong on an iPhone, restarting is always the first thing to try. It's simple, it's free, and it fixes most issues. Press volume up button, then press volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If this simple solution doesn't fix your trouble, you can try the next method. Method 2. Check your network connection. First, ensure that you are connected to a stable network. Open Safari and check if you can access apple.com without any issues. If the website loads smoothly, but you still cannot perform the update, you will need to adjust your settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, scroll down to the bottom of the page, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Make sure to keep your current Wi-Fi password handy, since you will need to re-enter it to reconnect after the reset. Once your iPhone restarts, attempt the update again. Method 3. Check your storage space. Go to the General page again, but this time, select iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage space. If you have sufficient storage space, tap the iOS update package you just downloaded. Tap Delete Update, then go back to the update screen to download the iOS update package again. Method 4. Update iOS using ReiBoot. If none of the above methods work, you can download ReiBoot in the description section to help you complete the update. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool, trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues. It also provides one-click backup and restore, so your data is safe. First, download ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer. Open ReiBoot, select iOS Upgrade, then click Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest iOS version for your device. Just click Download. Once the firmware is downloaded, the iPhone update process will begin, and you just need to wait a moment. The upgrade will be finished very soon. What's great about ReiBoot is that it skips the update verification step and completes the iOS update without taking up storage on your iPhone. It's fast, simple, and very beginner-friendly. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.